Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete Candy Crush Saga account. If you want to delete your Candy Crush Saga account, then you can follow these steps till the end of the video. First of all, launch open the Candy Crush Saga app on your device and log into your account. After signing in to the home page, tap on the gear button at the bottom left or at the top right, and then within the settings menu, tap on the little human icon with a small cross in it. Now this will show you how you can delete your player account. Scroll through the information and find out how you can delete your account for mobile users or for desktop users and follow through these prompts. If you scroll all the way down, you will be able to see this delete my account button. You can also simply tap on that and then type in your email address. Make sure that the email that is shown on the top of the screen is correct. If not, make sure you type in the correct one and then type in your full name as well on the next field. Finally, click on Delete My Account button at the bottom and follow through the instructions. Remember that after tapping on Delete My Account, you will be able to permanently delete your King account, including your profile picture, progress in any games, purchases, and your personal information. Simply follow through the deletion prompt and you will then be able to get rid of your Candy Crush Saga account in just a couple of steps. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.